video. This time it's about free money. A $10,000 grant with, you guessed it, Verizon. Who even knew that they had grants for small businesses? This is associated specifically with a small business. So, disclaimer, y'all, disregard my face. I just got a chemical peel, but your girl wants to get on to give y'all this information. So, let's get straight into it. The grant, like I said, is brought to you by Verizon. They are choosing 100 people to give $10,000 for anyone that is a small business. It is only for one business, and the only other requirement is you have to be 18 years old. So, as far as the application process goes, it is a two-stepper. Step number one, you have to go through and do at least 2 of their course modules. So they have their own little university that you're gonna go in and choose 2 of those modules to do. They're about 30 to 45 minutes each. Me personally, I was actually able to complete those modules in about 2 hours and go on to my application process, get everything knocked out. So, I'm going to take you guys through the whole application process, show you what the modules and everything is looking like so we can go ahead and get everything knocked out. Because remember, we want to be able to get this $10,000 that is a grant because it is free money for your business. They are going to ask some questions about your revenue on the application side. So the way that it works is you do your 2 modules once you get those completed, or you can do the live courses, but that just depends on your schedule. Either way, get those things knocked out. You go on and the application will become available. So I'm gonna show you guys what the module section looks like so we can get that knocked out, and then we're gonna go on to the application so that you can see everything that is required so we can get in by June the 30th and complete this application. We have 5 days to knock out 2 modules and complete our application so that we can become eligible for that $10,000 grant. Okay, y'all, let's get straight into it. So this is the website, Verizon Small Business Digital Ready. So you are going to click register. Once you click register, it's going to take you over to put in all your basic business information, all that kind of great stuff. And then it's going to ask you, what does your business do? Obviously, I am going to select finance, but of course you select which one match best with you. On here, it does actually pull your business up if you're on Google. So I am on Google under Rose Credit Repair. So I'm going to continue in. If you're not on Google, you can still just type your business in and select it from there. I am both online and in person. You really choose which one applies to you. Either way, it doesn't matter. So for digital presence, I have a website. I also do email marketing and social media marketing. If you do not have a website for whatever reason, that's fine. Just put social media marketing. And then I just have customer service management on the back office. That's the minimal thing that I would just select. And when it comes to communication, I have a business phone number and email. That doesn't matter if it's just a personal phone number or basic email. So usually with these type of things with grants and loans, they usually select people that make 100,000 or less. So, we're going to go to the up to 50,000, or you can put 50 to 100, whichever. I'm just going to put up to 50 because I know that'll be more likely, you know, heighten your likelihood. Businesses, they want a business to be established more than 2 years or more. So I've been established for 3. I will honestly just put 3 to 5 because a lot of this stuff is pandemic COVID based. How many employees do you have? For me, it's 2 to 10. If it's just you, of course, just select yourself. I want to learn about digital marketing. And then I also want marketing experts. Who would you like to connect with? Marketing experts. So I am Black owned. I am also a woman owned business and Hispanic. Whoop, whoop. Shout out to Colombia. So I'm going to continue on from there. So from there, it's pretty much going to pull you up into the courses. So I already pretty much completed my courses here. So this is how it pops up. You select different courses you want to do. I did the ones that was the shortest one. This one, the one about legalizing your business was 30 minutes, and then the other one was 34. So you basically go through, watch the modules, and take some short little quizzes. You must complete at least 2 courses. When I completed my second course, I had to actually log out and log back in because it wasn't showing that it was completed, even though I did. So that's a little tricky if you have that problem. From there, you can go into incentives, and it will show that you can start your application now. As you see, you must complete 2 courses or the mentoring events, and it must be done by June the 30th to receive the $10,000 grant. So we are going to get started today. So once you click on start now, this is going to bring you to the application page, just letting you know you need to do the grant, and it takes you over to the app. So first you're going to do an acknowledgement, just confirming everything. Then you're going to go to the next page. So here they're asking you, are you completing this or somebody for you? Obviously you're going to say yourself. They ask for your basic first name, last name, your primary email address for your business, whatever email address you use for your business. It's also asking, do you have a business phone number or a personal? Whichever one you have, just put that information in. Are you authorizing them to text you? Yes, you want to authorize them so you can be notified when you want. They ask for a website. If you don't have a website, put your Instagram or Facebook business page, and then they ask for that address next. So just put it twice. Your legal business name. If you have an LLC, S Corp, any of those legal entities, you'll put it there. If not, you can put a DBA name and put it in your business address. If it's a home address, that's fine. Just put in what you have. A lot of people. Okay, so next is going to ask you, how's your business structured? If you have an LLC, that is a limited liability company. If you do not have an LLC, S Corp, or anything like that, you're just going to put sole proprietor. That's what your DBA will fall under. For your business, how many years? I put 3 to 5 years. We want to put it within some time that was before COVID, in my opinion. Like I said before, they usually give this to people who make less than 100,000. So you're going to select that as well. And then it just asks them about how many full-time and part-time employees you had back in January and April of 2020. And then how many do you have now? My primary industry is finance. Whichever industry you fall under, that is the one you need to select. If you do anything related to beauty, you want to click other services. Let me see something else. Yeah, pretty much you want to click other services if your specific industry is not on here. And then you're just going to click next, because see, it says hair salon, nails, different stuff like that. Next page. Then it asks about your personal information, who you are, age, different things like that, your ethnicity, if you are woman-owned, LGBTQ, disabled, veteran, all that kind of great stuff. So I just put that I'm a woman-owned business. And then the reason that you want this for, you want this for past due bills, rent. I'm going to always put payable too. Things that you actually need for your business. I think that's the most applicable that they will want to assist with. Select one that best describes your business. I'm leasing a commercial space for my business. I'm leasing a commercial space, but you may have a home-based space. Personally, if you do put commercial space, they might ask you to verify that. So I wouldn't too much do that. If you have a business lease, see, because has your landlord offer rent, concessions, or extensions? No. Are you currently hiring with payments related to your business? Yes. Are you able to operate as you were prior to the pandemic? No, I am not. To the best of your knowledge, how did your revenue? You want to say that it decreased. Showing a decrease shows that you need this money. To the best of your knowledge, how did your revenue do? I'm just going to say it's decreased. Definitely decreased. What alternative services are you offering in light of COVID? Home delivery, online services. Of course, we're offering online due to COVID. How did you hear about the grants? Word of mouth, since I don't see YouTube. So how did you hear about this particular grant? Obviously, it's from Verizon. Here, you're going to give General C19. I don't want to say the word because they be tripping on YouTube. Comment any other information about your business and how C19 affected it. So I'm basically
basically just saying I'm not able to service clients in person, which caused my sales to go down. I had to find new ways to market. Just to keep it simple, as far as how COVID affected things, please describe any way with your local community. So I just basically said I started an online community to help my customers through these trying times and give them the knowledge to help them get through. Yeah. Keep it simple, which whatever applies to your business. Okay, then from there you're just going to sign and submit. So your application has been completed, submitted. They will make a decision after June the 30th. Let's get to it. Start doing your applications and watching your modules.
Thank you again for hanging with me here at Rose Credit Repair. And don't forget, like, subscribe, comment below if you have any credit questions. I'm going to be answering them myself in the comments. So you know what to do. Until next time.